Okay, the process of unloading coal from the truck, unloading the kettle. The kettle is big, it's brown kettle. Okay, that's it. And this is the another kettle or cow will be unleashed from the truck. The rope or the tie is unleashed, and not for a long time the cattle or the cow will unloading from the car. That's a small cow. That's one. That's the second cow. Okay, that's a small cow there. Okay, this is the three calf of cows. Three small calf cow cattle already unloading from the truck. And the car is have done the job. Just go.